Hello, good evening, all of you. So, have you seen in your WhatsApp group here? I have sent some files. Hello, guys. I have sent some files here. You can open them and first you can okay. First you can send them to your mail IDs and you can open in your laptops. That would be nice. Right, all of you. Good evening. I have sent you in your WhatsApp group some of the files. You can send them to your mail IDs, open them in laptops or systems, then prepare. See, in the last class, what did we do? Simple past perfect and past perfect. Three, we have completed three. Simple past, present perfect, and past perfect. So let me show you here what we did. Okay. So here, simple past, this is a simple past. Okay. And present perfect, past perfect. See the difference. When do we use a simple past? When time is mentioned here. When past time is mentioned, we use simple past. Just past time is mentioned. Okay, if the action is completed before past time, okay, or before past action, okay, before plus past should be there. Before or by past time or past action. You have to use past perfect. Okay. And for completed action, if time is not mentioned or if the recent time is mentioned, use present perfect. Okay, have or has plus C3. Okay, this we did in the last class. Right? Simple past, present perfect, past perfect. Yes. Okay, when time is okay mentioned, when past time is mentioned, like yesterday, last week, 2 days ago, like this, when past time is mentioned, simple past. Okay, if it is mentioned, okay, like this, before past action or before past time. Is it there? Before plus past action or before plus past time. Before or by both. Past perfect. Okay, if time is not mentioned for completed actions, present perfect. Have or has plus with. Even if the recent time is given, use present perfect. Okay. Now, okay, let us come back to our exercise. So here, 22nd, what did we do here? Last month. So when past time is given, we used here simple past. Visited. My uncle visited Agra last month. Next, 23. Okay, before she got married. Before plus past action, she got married. Before plus past, here past perfect. Okay. Sanjana had gone to Agra before she got married. Next, 24. Today. Today means not future. Okay. Not past. It is recent past. Today, this week, this month. Okay. This year. Just now, all come under. Okay. Recent. Recent time. In the recent time means Okay, present perfect. She has drunk 5 cups of coffee today. Right? Next, 25. Ramesh eat all biscuits before his sister arrived. Before plus past action. His sister arrived. So here past perfect. Ramesh had eaten all biscuits. So this week means recent past. Recent past means present perfect. It has not rained. Last week means past only. This week means recent past. Last week means past. So it did not rain. Was Paul at the party when you arrived? No. He had gone home. He had already gone home by the time we arrived. మేము రావడానికంటే ముందే he had gone home. Right? I felt very tired when I got to home. So I went straight to bed. Next 30. The house was very quiet when I got home. Everybody had gone to bed before I got home. Yes, any doubts? Yes, yes. Okay. When we got home last night, we found that somebody had broken into the flat. Okay. Everything is going well. Okay. We have not had any problems so far. Have plus V3. Have not plus V3. What is the V3 form of have? Had only. Have, had, had. Now let us come to the continuous tenses. What is that here? Okay. Yeah. Have V3 form had only. We have not had, we haven't had any problem so far. Yeah, now 33 to, okay, 50, 52, 32 to 52, 33 to. So all continuous tenses. Let us see the continuous tenses. Before that, we need to go with the theory part. And guys, here, only 48 have joined so far. Guys, okay, just be serious here and get the concept here and okay, get the concepts. Unlike Indian languages, okay, in English there are, okay, 6 continuous tenses. In Indian language here, in Telugu or Hindi, we have only 3 continuous tenses. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. In Telugu or Hindi. But in English, there are 6 continuous tenses. There are 6 continuous tenses. Let us see what are the 6 continuous tenses first, and then we can see the examples, and we will discuss, okay, when to use them. So present continuous. Okay, subject is, I am, are, ing form. This is for actions continuing at present or temporary present actions. Okay. Past continuous for actions continuing at certain time in past. Verb form was or were, ing form. Future continuous for actions continuing at certain time in future. So continuing at certain time in past here continuing at certain time in future. So what is the verb form? Will be or shall be plus verb ing form. So 3 continuous tenses. If the actions are continuing at present, we go with the present continuous. Okay, I am, is, are, being form. If okay, they were continuing in past at certain time in past, okay, past continuous. If they are going to continue in the future, we will go with the future continuous. See examples for this. Okay, now, okay, for present continuous, now at present, nowadays, these days. I am teaching English grammar at present. She is suffering from fever now. They are playing football. Okay, so verb form is I am, is, or are plus verb ing form. Okay, see the past continuous. I was watching TV at 8 p.m. yesterday. Means at 8 p.m. yesterday, what was I doing here? I was watching TV. We were playing football at 10 a.m. last Sunday. Last Sunday at 10 a.m. we were playing football. The action was going on at certain time in the past, not completed. If it is completed, just I watched TV yesterday. I played football last Sunday. If it is completed, but at that moment it was going on. We were playing football at 10 a.m. last Sunday. I met with an accident while I was crossing the road. While I was crossing, at that moment, I met with an accident. Okay, generally in this one, while, when, or any certain time in the past, at that time action should be continuing. So let us see future continuous. This is for actions continuing at certain time in future. We shall be writing SSC CGL exam at 10 a.m. next Sunday. Next Sunday at 10 a.m. Okay, we shall be writing. Okay, shall be is just okay a weak form. Okay, right? Will be gives here more certainty. We can use shall be generally with IV and will be with the second person and third person. They will be playing football at 10 a.m. next Sunday. You see this? Clear now? Hello guys here. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Any doubt here? Okay, others also respond here. Others, guys, other guys here. Okay, Bandi Priyanka, Bhavana, Bhavishya. Okay, Krishnaveni, Allam Krishnaveni, Maunika M. Okay, you must respond here. You just, okay, you must respond. Drop your hands, no problem. Drop your hands, okay. Krishnaveni, drop your hand. Okay, just okay. Check it here. Okay, verb form and examples here. See here, verb form and examples. Okay, this is for present continuous, means actions continuing at present. Past continuous for actions continuing at certain time in past. Future continuous for actions, okay, continuing at certain time in future. Okay, right. Now, this is okay. Now I want to cover 3 more continuous tenses here. Okay. So see the difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous. Present continuous here means actions are continuing at present. Present perfect continuous means before present only. Okay, actions continuing from past to present. Past to present. Okay, before present they continued for some time. So hints will be since plus time or for plus time. You have to remember this one. Since plus time or for plus time for present perfect continuous. For past perfect continuous, you see had been ing form. This is for actions continuing for some time before or by past time. Past kante mundu konta period jarigite past perfect continuous. Hint the for plus period of time by or before past. For plus time ravale by past ravale malli before past ravale. This is past perfect continuous. Just okay, try to remember in your mind here. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous ki hints enti since plus time, point of time, for plus period of time. Okay. So and examples. I have been teaching English grammar for 2 decades. For plus period of time. She has been suffering from fever since last Saturday. And the action last Saturday start అయింది ఇంకా కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది అన్నట్టు. సో ఇక్కడ since plus time or for plus time వస్తే ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. ఇక్కడ ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైం బై పాస్ట్ వస్తే ఆర్ బిఫోర్ పాస్ట్ వస్తే పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. రవి హ్యాడ్ బీన్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ దిస్ కాలేజ్ ఫర్ 3 years. ఫర్ 3 years బై ద టైమ్ ఐ జాయిన్డ్ హియర్. అంటే నేను జాయిన్ అయ్యేసరికి 3 yearsగా అతను పనిచేస్తున్నాడు. ఫర్ 3 years ఫర్ ప్లస్ పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైం బై ద టైమ్ ఐ జాయిన్డ్ హియర్. అంటే నేను జాయిన్ అయ్యేసరికి అంటే దానికంటే ముందే 3 years అయింది. దిస్ ఈస్ రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. విల్ హ్యావ్ ఆర్ షెల్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ verb in form. Okay, so what is the hint? For plus period of time by future రావాలి or before future. I shall have been playing for India for at least 2 years by the next World Cup. Okay, for at least 2 years by the next World Cup. For plus time by future. Future perfect continuous. Okay, now see the difference akkada. Present continuous అయితే present continuing అయితే present continuous పెట్టాలి. ప్రజెంట్ కంటే ముందే కొంత పీరియడ్ జరిగితే అంటే పాస్ట్ నుండి ప్రజెంట్ దాకా కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. సిన్స్ ప్లే ఓకే ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. పాస్ట్లో కంటిన్యూ అయితే పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. ఫర్ యాక్షన్స్ కంటిన్యూయింగ్ ఎట్ సర్టెన్ టైమ్ ఇన్ పాస్ట్. Okay, so if the action is continuing for some time before past time or before past action, past perfect continuous. What is the hint? For plus period of time by past. If the actions are going to be continuing for some time before future, for plus period of time, okay, by future. అంటే ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైం వచ్చి ఫ్యూచర్ టైం అయినా ఫ్యూచర్ యాక్షన్ అన్న రావాలి. ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైం బై పాస్ట్ రావాలి. పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. సింప్లీ ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైం ఆర్ సిన్స్ ప్లస్ టైం ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. సో నౌ ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ సీన్ 6 tenses, 6 continuous tenses. Now let us see the examples. Okay, is it clear guys? Hello? Can you remember these hints? Okay, hints for present perfect continuous, hints for past perfect continuous, hints for future perfect continuous. See, what is the hint for present perfect continuous? Since plus point of time or for plus period of time. For past perfect continuous, for plus period of time by past. Future perfect continuous tense, for plus period of time by future. Okay, remember like this. Okay, right now here let us see, let us do the exercise. Okay, now it dash rain for 2 hours. It dash 33, question number 33. It dash rain for 2 hours. For plus time or since plus time. What is that? Ram Subhash. Now ఇది now అని వచ్చిందా? Ram Subhash now అని అంటే it is raining. Ram Subhash now అని వస్తే now at present, nowadays, at this moment అంటే present continuous. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏమో మనకి హింట్ ఏమొచ్చింది? రామ్ సుభాష్ ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైం ఆర్ సిన్స్ ప్లస్ టైం ఉంటే ఏం వాడాలని చెప్పాను? ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్. యు సీ హియర్ ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్పాను నేను? ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్, హ్యావ్ బీన్ ఆర్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ ఇన్ ఫామ్. హింట్స్ ఏమొచ్చినాయి? సిన్స్ ప్లస్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైం, ఫర్ ప్లస్ పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైం. ఇవి ఇట్లా వస్తే మనకు ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. ఫర్ ప్లస్ పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైం బై పాస్ట్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. ఫర్ ప్లస్ పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైం బై ఫ్యూచర్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. Okay, so this is the difference here. Okay, in Telugu here we have only present continuous, no present perfect continuous. So Ram Subhash, now what is the answer? 33. Lokesh. Hello, Lokesh. Lokesh, check it. Is it raining now? What is the hint? Okay. Lokesh, answer me. You can unmute. You can unmute and answer me. Is it raining now? Lokesh, answer me. Pavan Kalyan, will be raining future amma idi. You unmute your okay speakers. Yeah, Ram Subhash, it is correct only. Pavan Kalyan, Adepu Pavan Kalyan, is it future action? Dasari Lokesh, you unmute, okay. You can unmute now. I have given you permission to unmute here. Okay. Okay, you can unmute. Okay. So you are not ready to hear. Adi Lakshmi, is it completed action? మీరు ఎలా మీరు బ్లైండ్గా పెడుతున్నారు ఆది లక్ష్మి. ఇప్పుడు మీకు హింట్ ఏమొచ్చింది అంటే చూడాలి, మీరు టైం ఫ్రేజెస్ చూడాలి. మీరు ఏ టెన్స్ చూసుకున్నా కూడా టైం ఫ్రేజ్ చూసుకోవాలి. ఏమున్నది ఇక్కడ? ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైం ఉంది, దీంట్లో సిన్స్ ప్లస్ టైం ఉంది, దీంట్లో నౌ ఉన్నది. ఓకే, మీరు ఈ టైం ఫ్రేజ్ చూసుకొని మాట్లాడాలి. ఏ టెన్స్ అనేది ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. నేను చెప్పిన థియరీని మీరు ఓకే. శర్మ ఇక్కడ, సోను సోను ఇది పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూసా? పాస్ట్ టైం ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు? దాసరి లోకేష్, పాస్ట్ టైం ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు? పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ అంటే డెఫినెట్ పర్టికులర్ టైంలో, పాస్ట్ టైంలో సర్టెన్ టైం ఇన్ ద పాస్ట్లో కంటిన్యూ అవుతుండాలి. మీకు సర్టెన్ టైం ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు చెప్పండి లోకేష్. Can't you speak? Your speaker is not working, Lokesh. Yeah, మీరు దేనికి రెస్పాండ్ కాకుండా, if you don't speak with me, how can I explain? Lokesh, unmute yourself. Why can't you unmute? I have given you permission. Sonu, Sonu, unmute yourself.
It was raining, sir.
How can you say it was raining here? Where is the past time?
Past, present. Present, no, sir.
ఎక్కడ? ఫర్ 2 hours అంటే ప్రజెంటా? ఫర్ 2 hours అంటే ప్రజెంటా? సోను, అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. ఫర్ 2 hours అంటే పాస్టా ప్రజెంటా? మీకు హింట్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి? మీరు ఈ హింట్స్ ఫాలో అవుతారు చూడు. ఓకే లోకేష్, ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? ఈ హింట్స్ చూడాలి. ఫర్ ప్లస్ పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైం. సోను, ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైం వచ్చింది. ఫర్ 2 hours అని ఉంది కదా, లేదా సిన్స్ ప్లస్ టైం. ఈ హింట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మాత్రము యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయాలి? particular time in the past.
Yes, sir.
Where is the particular time in the past? Akkada ichara? No, it was not given, no?
Yes, sir.
Particular. So you are not listening to theory, just coming to exercises, and again you are habituated to your old past mistakes. మీరు ఇవి చూడండి. నేను థియరీ చెప్పినప్పుడు వినకుండా మీరు ఇంకా డైరెక్ట్గా వస్తా అంటే హౌ కెన్ యూ? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సర్టెన్ టైమ్ ఇన్ పాస్ట్ ఉంటేనే పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్, ఆర్ వెన్ వైల్ వచ్చినా పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ వస్తుంది. ప్రజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ అంటే నవ్, ఎట్ ప్రజెంట్, నవ్ ఏ డేస్, దీస్ డేస్ అని ఉండాలి, ప్రజెంట్ టైం ఉండాలి. ఫ్యూచర్ కంటిన్యూస్ మీన్స్ సర్టెన్ టైమ్ ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఉండాలి. హౌ విల్ యూ ఐడెంటిఫై ద టెన్సెస్? సీయింగ్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ద యాక్షన్, ఏ టైంలో యాక్షన్ జరుగుతుందో చూడాలి, రైట్? ఇక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ అంటే ఏంటిది? ఇక్కడ సిన్స్ ప్లస్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైం ఆర్ ఫర్ ప్లస్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైం. ఓకే, సో these are the actions which okay started in the past and still continuing, and hints will be since plus point of time or for plus period of time. If you get these hints, you should prefer present perfect continuous. If you get these hints for plus period of time by past vaste past perfect continuous. I am repeating this 3-4 times, but you are not listening to the theory parts. Okay, for plus time by future is the future perfect continuous. Now tell me here, what is that here? Sonu, what is the answer? Tell me. Sonu, Lokesh. Hello. Has been rainy. Sonu, tell me. Has been rainy. Okay, Adi Lakshmi. Could you get it? Ardhaminda? Unmute, Adi Lakshmi. Unmute and just speak to me. Be active. It should be interactive. Pawan Kalyan, okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. First thing you have to see is the time phrase. Ekkadana hints emunnayani chudali. For plus 2 hours. For plus time vaste present perfect continuous. Has been raining. Okay. Has been raining. This is the answer. Right? 34. Tell me, Lokesh, you tell. 34. Sweta. Yes, very good. Lokesh, you tell. Lokesh, you didn't understand? Yeah. Have been. Mary third person singular kadamma. Third person singular అయినప్పుడు has రావాలి. Mary has been working. Have been కాదు, has been. Okay? Working. Mary has been working. Let's go out. It dash not rain now. ఇక్కడ హింట్ ఏమున్నది? నవ్ అని ఉంది. ఇక్కడ చూడాలి, నవ్ అనే హింట్ ఉన్నది. వాట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్? 35. Not raining. Okay, 35. Right. Now Adilakshmi, could you get it? అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ నవ్ అని ఉంది కదా, ఈ హింట్ చూడాలి. నవ్ అని అంటే ప్రజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రైనింగ్. ఈజ్ ఓకే, నాట్ రైనింగ్ అంటే మీరు ఈ టైం ఫ్రేజ్ చూడాలి. టైం ఇక్కడ నవ్ అని ఉంది. 36. 36లో హింట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? హరియప్. హరియప్ అనేది హింట్ అన్నట్టు. ఎప్పుడు అంటాము హరియప్? త్వరపడు. ఎవ్రీబడి ఈజ్ అమ్మా. ఎవ్రీబడి అంటే సింగులర్. రామ్ సుభాష్. everyone, anyone, no one. I said no. So what is the answer? Adilakshmi, tell that answer. Everybody is waiting. Okay, everybody, everyone, anyone, no one, someone, anyone, all these are singular. Okay. Next, how long dash you dash wait for the bus? ఎంత కాలం నుండి నీవు ఎదురు చూస్తున్నావు? Lakshmi Bhavani, you have to understand here. Lakshmi Bhavani. Ram Subhash. What is that? How long have you been? అంటే ఎంత కాలం నుండి వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నావు అంటే పాస్ట్ టు ప్రజెంట్. పాస్ట్ టు ప్రజెంట్ అయినప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ అని రావాలి. వాట్ ఇస్ దట్? Past to present. Action started in the past and continuing up to present. That means past to present. ఎంత కాలం నుండి ఎదురు చూస్తున్నావు అంటే ఇప్పుడు కాదు కంటిన్యూ అయ్యేది, ఎప్పుడో స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఓకే, ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ హియర్ present perfect continuous tense. So what is that answer? Lakshmi Bhavani, what is that answer? Present perfect continuous. What is that? How long have you been waiting? Have you been waiting? How long have you been waiting for the bus? Answer ఏమొస్తుంది? I have been waiting for the bus for 1 hour, for 2 hours. అంటే అగైన్ అక్కడ ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైం వస్తుంది అన్నట్టు. సో మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. హౌ లాంగ్ హ్యావ్ యూ బీన్ డ్రింకింగ్, ఎంతసేపటి నుండి తాగుతున్నావు. హౌ లాంగ్ హ్యావ్ యూ బీన్ రైటింగ్, హౌ లాంగ్ హ్యావ్ యూ బీన్ రీడింగ్, how long have you been living in this town? How long have you been staying at the hostel? How long have you been studying at IARE or at Mallaredi Engineering College? Like that atla baga practice cheskondi. How long vachinappudu how long have you been adi pettukondi, right? Now ఇంకోటి ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ అంటే కంటిన్యూయింగ్ ఎట్ ప్రజెంట్ అన్నట్టు. సో ఐ ఆమ్ టీచింగ్ యూ ఇంగ్లీష్ గ్రామర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ప్రజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్. ఐ హ్యావ్ బీన్ టీచింగ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ గ్రామర్ ఫర్ 20 years for first time. I have been teaching English grammar since 1989, since first time. And started in the past, now also it is continuing. Okay. Now you are studying in Mallaredi Engineering College. You have been studying in Mallaredi Engineering College for the last 3 years. Purpose, time. Present perfect continuous. Got it? Okay. Now you are studying in Mallaredi Engineering College. Now, at present. Okay. You have been studying in Mallaredi Engineering College for 3 years. For the last 3 years. For plus time ochindi. After present perfect continuous. Is it clear, guys? Or since August 2019. You have been studying in Mallaredi Engineering College since August 2019. Okay. Right. Next. 38. 38 guys here. B dash playing tennis for about 1 hour when it started to rain heavily. All of you observe that. Observe the time phrase. Time ఏముంది ఇక్కడ చూడండి. For about 1 hour. For plus time వచ్చింది. And past వచ్చింది. When it started to rain. For plus time వచ్చిన తర్వాత past వచ్చింది. For plus time past వస్తే past perfect continuous tense. Very good, Pawan Kalyan. Very good. Okay. Ram Subhash, very good. Others also try to understand. Lakshmi Bhavani. Okay. Okay. Try to understand here. And next one, Sweta. Just to check it here. Shilpa. What is the hint here? For about 1 hour. For plus time వచ్చి past వచ్చింది. It started to rain. For about 1 hour when it started to rain. For plus time, past time was the past perfect continuous. Okay? Is it clear? 39. I was disappointed when I had to cancel my holiday. ఇక్కడ hint ఏమొచ్చింది? When I had to cancel my holiday. Okay, particular time in the past. I was disappointed when I had to cancel my holiday. At that moment, at what moment? When I had to cancel my holiday. At that moment, okay, I was looking forward to it. Had been looking ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది నాన్న. సాయి తేజ. Sir Lokesh.
Sir, it happened in the past only, right, sir?
Happened కానీ కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది కదా. ఆ టైంలో ఏమైతుంది? I was looking forward to it when I had to cancel my holiday. ఆ టైంలో at that moment I was looking forward to it. Okay, but I had to cancel my holiday. So I was disappointed.
He's talking about the past and coming into the future, right, sir?
Not future.
Like present. He's talking about the past and coming into present.
Not present here. He is not coming into present. He was looking forward to it here in the past only. Okay. He was looking forward to his holiday. But he had to cancel his holiday. So he was disappointed.
So it's not with the time, so it comes under past continuous, right?
Past continuous. When I had to cancel my holiday. That is particular time in past.
Okay, sir.
Particular time in past means past continuous.
So I was looking forward to it.
Yes. Particular time in past. When I had to cancel my holiday. Okay. I was looking forward to it. I was looking forward to my holiday. But I had to cancel my holiday. So I was disappointed.
Okay, sir.
Right? So you can interact like that. So that it is easy. Others also can understand. Okay? Is it clear? Sai Teja, previous answer, what is that? Had been playing tennis. Dasar Lokesh, previous, why played? Dasar Lokesh, why did you say played? You can interact with me. ఇక్కడ 38 లో ఏమున్నది? For about 1 hour అని ఉంది. For plus time by past ఉంది. When it started ఉంది. For plus time past ఉంటే past perfect continuous. Okay. So if you get doubts, okay, you can unmute like this. One of you can discuss. Okay. Sai Teja, previous answer. What is that? ఇక్కడ హింట్ ఏమున్నది చూడండి. సాయి తేజ చూడు. ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైం ఉంది, ఫాలోడ్ బై పాస్ట్ ఉంది. వెన్ ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ టు రెయిన్. ఇది హింట్. సో చూసి వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్ హియర్? హ్యాడ్ బీన్ ప్లేయింగ్. ఇక్కడ హ్యాడ్ వస్తలేదు చూద్దాం. జస్ట్ had been playing. So ikkadindi, I was looking forward to it. I was looking. Okay. Next 40 June. 40. I dash wait for 20 minutes when I realized that I was in the wrong restaurant. All of you just remember to identify the tense, see the time of the action. Means try to find out the time phrase in the sentence. What is that here? Here, what is the hint here? For 20 minutes when I realized. For plus time by past. Okay. So this is the hint. Now tell me, what is the answer? Had been, Mullapudi Ram Subhash, had been waiting. Had been for plus time by past.
Yes, sir. I got confused.
Only for plus time and present perfect continuous.
But
For-
it's continuing, right, sir? Ante he
Past కంటే ముందు కంటిన్యూ 20 minutes అయింది. ప్రజెంట్ కంటే ముందు కాదు. ప్రజెంట్ కంటే ముందు అయితే ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. పాస్ట్ కంటే ముందు.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, just remember, present కంటే ముందు కంటిన్యూ అయితే present perfect continuous. Past కంటే ముందు కంటిన్యూ కొంత టైం కంటిన్యూ అయితే past perfect continuous. Future కంటే ముందు కంటిన్యూ అయితే future perfect continuous. Simple. Okay. Present కంటే ముందు కంప్లీట్ అయితే present perfect. Past కంటే ముందు కంప్లీట్ అయితే past perfect. Future కంటే ముందు కంప్లీట్ అయితే future perfect. Simple.
Okay, sir.
చాలా డోంట్ టేక్ అ రిస్క్, సింప్లీ రిమెంబర్ దిస్ వన్. ప్రజెంట్ కంటే ముందు కంప్లీట్ అయితే ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్, పాస్ట్ కంటే ముందు కంప్లీట్ అయితే పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్, ఫ్యూచర్ కంటే ముందు కంప్లీట్ అయితే ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. సింపుల్. ప్రజెంట్ కంటే ముందు కంటిన్యూ కొంత టైం కంటిన్యూ అయితే ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్, పాస్ట్ కంటే ముందు కొంత పీరియడ్ కంటిన్యూ అయితే పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్, ఫ్యూచర్ కంటే ముందు కొంత పీరియడ్ కంటిన్యూ అయితే ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. సింపుల్.
But it won't cross the past, future, and present, right, sir?
It won't cross here. Okay, when I realized, before I, okay, by the time I realized only for 20 minutes.
Oh, if it crosses the future means that comes under future continuous.
Okay, before future, okay, some time, okay.
Yes, sir. That comes under future perfect continuous.
Yes. Right, simple.
If it crosses the future, future
ఇంకా ఫ్యూచర్ క్రాస్ కాదు ఇంకా.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, right. For plus time by future. Okay, for 20 minutes when I realized. For plus time plus past ikkada. Before past for some time. Past perfect continuous. So what is the answer here, guys? Here had been waiting. Had been Ram Subhash. Had been Lokesh.
Yes, sir.
Others also. Could you get it, Sweta? Sweta, Sai Teja, Pavan Kalyan. Is it clear now? Lakshmi Bhavani. Lakshmi Bhavani, answer me. Raise your hand and answer me. Unmute yourself. Lakshmi Bhavani. Okay. So just unmute and you can share. Okay. Don't feel shy and don't be afraid here to correct yourself. Okay. Don't think, okay, if you ask any doubt, what others will feel. Don't think like that. You are here to clear your doubts. Okay. Next, John Dash wait for me when I arrived. When I arrived at that moment. Okay. Particular time in past only. Jenny Dash wait for me when I arrived. Particular time in the past. Was waiting. Was waiting. Very good. Okay. Was waiting. Right. We were extremely tired at the end of the journey. we dash travel for more than 24 hours. What is the hint here? For plus time by the end of the journey. Journey అయిపోయింది past లో. For plus time by past. For plus time by past. What is that? 42. Had been traveling. Lakshmi Bhavani had been traveling. Traveled అనొద్దు. లక్ష్మీ భవాని ఎందుకు ట్రావెల్డ్ అనొద్దు? ఇక్కడ ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైం వచ్చింది. ఓకే, ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైం వచ్చింది. ఓకే, ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైం ఇది. ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైమ్ ఎట్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద జర్నీ కూడా అయిపోయింది. అంటే దీనికంటే ముందు 24 hours. ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైం బై పాస్ట్. సో హ్యాడ్ బీన్ ట్రావెలింగ్. Okay, next, we are good friends. We are present lo. We are good friends. We dash know each other for years. What is the hint? For years. For plus time. Present కంటే ముందు for plus time అన్నట్టు. So what is the answer for plus time since plus time? Okay, we are knowing. Present continuous. Ram Subhash. Present continuous. ఇది for plus time ఉంటే ఏం రావాలి? For plus time ఉంటే ఏం రావాలి? రామ్ సుభాష్.
We have been knowing each other.
అయితే హ్యావ్ బీన్ నోయింగ్ ఈచ్ అదర్ అని ఎందుకు అనొద్దు అంటే, ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్గా ఏంటంటే హ్యావ్ బీన్ నోయింగ్ అనేది జనరల్గా అనుకునేది నోయింగ్. బట్ ఇది యూజ్ చేయదు, ఇలా యూజ్ చేయొద్దు. ఎందుకంటే ద వర్బ్ నో షుడ్ నాట్ బి యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్. నో కానీ, బిలీవ్ కానీ, బిలాంగ్ కానీ, ఓకే, దే షుడ్ నాట్ బి యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్. సో ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ బదులు ఏం రావాలి? ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ రావాలి. ఓకే, హ్యావ్ నోన్, ఇది కరెక్ట్. హ్యావ్ నోన్, హ్యావ్ నోన్ ఇది రావాలి. హ్యావ్ నోన్ అనేది కరెక్ట్. సో హ్యావ్ బీన్ నోయింగ్ అనేది రాంగ్. వై? ద వర్బ్ నో షుడ్ నాట్ బి యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్. The verb know, K-N-O-W, know, believe, okay, belong, love, hate, hope, wish, okay, such verbs should not be used in continuous tense. So here, instead of present perfect continuous, use present perfect. Okay, is it clear? Next, so we were good friends. Past lo, we were good friends. You see were. Okay, we were good friends. So we dash know each other for years. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైం ఉంది. బట్ ఫర్ ప్లస్ టైం బిఫోర్ పాస్ట్, ఇక్కడ వర్ ఉంది కదా పాస్ట్ లో అన్నట్టు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ బదులు పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కావాలి. వెరీ గుడ్. హ్యాడ్ నోన్, హ్యాడ్ known. Right. Okay. Next, Mr. X dash work as a clerk when I joined in the college. What is the hint? When I joined in this college, particular time, when I joined in that college. Mr. X dash work as a clerk when I joined in this college. Guys, here, what is the hint here? When I joined in the college, particular time in the past, at that moment, when I joined in that college. What is that? Was working. Likta, very good. was working, particular time, okay, was working at that moment. Guys, ask me any doubt if you have
Sir,
any doubts.
44 is present perfect continuous only, right, sir?
Huh?
44.
44,
Present perfect continuous only, right, sir?
no, past perfect continuous instead
That
of
is,
past.
yes, sir.
instead of-
Past perfect continuous only, right, sir? 44.
But okay, it should not be used in continuous tense, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because known and
Yeah, that's why it is past perfect only.
yes, sir.
That's why it is past perfect. Okay. Right. So was working when I joined. When means okay. When I joined means particular time in the past. So past continuous. Now see here whether you have understood or not. Mr. X dash work as a clerk for 5 years by the time I joined in this college. For 5 years by the time I joined. See the hint. Yes. Had been working. Very good.
Had been working.
Very good, Aparna. Very good. Why? You see, for plus time by past. Okay. Had been working. Okay. Don't phone me between then. Between 7 and 8. ఎప్పుడు చెప్తాం అది ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ కి చెప్తాం. Don't phone me between 7 and 8. మీరు కాలేజీలోకి వెళ్ళి బయటకు వెళ్తుంటారు, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి చెప్తున్నారు. ఓకే, డోంట్ ఫోన్ మీ బిట్వీన్ 7 and 8. ఓకే, సో ఆ టైంలో మేము డిన్నర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాము. ఎస్, వి విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ డిన్నర్. వెరీ గుడ్. ఫ్యూచర్లో ఫ్యూచర్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్. ఓకే, వి విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్. ఇక్కడ హ్యావింగ్ అనొచ్చు. ఎందుకు అనొచ్చు అంటే ఒక యాక్షన్ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ టేకింగ్ ప్లేస్. వి విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ డిన్నర్ దెన్. ఓకే, ఫోన్ మీ ఆఫ్టర్ 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock తర్వాత ఫోన్ చేయండి. అప్పటి వరకు మేము కంప్లీట్ చేసి ఉంటాము. బై ప్లస్ ఫ్యూచర్. బై ప్లస్ ఫ్యూచర్ అయితే ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ఫ్యూచర్ కంటే ముందు కంప్లీట్ అయితే ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అనుకోండి. అలా గైస్ హియర్, షల్ ఐ షో యూ హియర్ ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్? Okay, once again, just let me tell you, this we did not cover. Yeah, future perfect చూడండి. Here, this side, right side, future perfect tense. Will have or shall have plus V3. What is the hint? Before or by future action, or before or by future action, future time. Future కంటే ముందు కంప్లీట్ అయితే ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. పాస్ట్ కంటే ముందు కంప్లీట్ అయితే పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ప్రజెంట్ కంటే ముందు కంప్లీట్ అయితే ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ఓకే, హలో గైస్, వన్ మోర్ టెన్స్ హియర్. ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? ఇఫ్ ద యాక్షన్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి కంప్లీటెడ్ బిఫోర్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఆర్ బై ఫ్యూచర్ టైమ్ ఆర్ ఫ్యూచర్ యాక్షన్, ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. బిఫోర్ పాస్ట్ అయితే పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. బిఫోర్ ప్రజెంట్ అయితే ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ఇది కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది, కంటిన్యూ కాదు. రైట్? సో నౌ లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ. లెట్ us come to this. Yeah. So
Sir,
what is
one
that?
say when will we use will and shall, sir? Will and
అది తర్వాత మోడల్స్ చెప్పినప్పుడు నేను చెప్తాను. డోంట్ గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్. షల్ ఈజ్ జనరలీ వీక్ ఫామ్. ఇట్ హ్యాస్ నో సర్టెనిటీ, అంటే గ్యారంటీగా లేదు. ఐ షెల్ గో అంటే నేను వెళ్ళాలి అన్నట్టు. ఐ విల్ గో అంటే నేను వెళ్తాను అన్నట్టు. ఓకే, వి షెల్ గో అనేది We shall
When
go
we are
అంటే-
doubtful, right, sir?
Huh?
We use when we are doubtful to do that.
No, we shall go అంటే మేము ఒక సజెషన్ లాగా, we will go అంటే మేము పోతాము అన్నట్టు. ఓకే, we shall go అంటే మేము పోవాలి అని చెప్పడం, we will go అంటే పోతాము అని చెప్పడం.
Okay, sir.
అంటే will have, ఓకే, సో would have finished కాదమ్మా, ఆదిలక్ష్మి will have finished, will have, would have కాదు ఆదిలక్ష్మి ఇక్కడ.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. So 47, what is the answer? We will be having. 48, will have finished. Okay. Will have finished. Will have finished. Next. Next, we are late. The film dash already start by the time we get to the theater. Because చూడండి, by the time we get, got కాదు, got అంటే past, by plus past అవుతుంది, got అయితే. But here it is by plus future time. By the time we get to the theater. What is the answer? We are late. ఆల్రెడీ లేట్ అయినాము, మనం పోయే వరకే స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. Will have started. Very good. Okay, will have started. Very good.
Sir, in bracket there are two words given, right, sir? Already, comma, start. Should we
we have-
compulsory we compulsory use the two words, sir, or
Okay, we have to use actually all.
okay, sir.
We have already started.
Started.
The film will have already started. So ఇక్కడ already, ever, never, okay, often, seldom, usually, okay, always, ఇలాంటివన్నీ కూడా మెయిన్ వర్బ్ కంటే ముందు రావాలి. All of you guys remember. Okay, this already is the adverb. Okay, so ఈ adverbs ఇలాంటి adverbs of frequency like always, ever, never, seldom, rarely, frequently, usually, ఇవన్నీ కూడా they should come before the main verb. Okay, very good. Next one. Do you think you still do the same job in 10 years time? ఇంకా సేమ్ జాబ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటావా? What is the answer? Will still be doing. Will still be doing the same job in 10 years time. Will still be doing. Very good. Still have been కాదమ్మా, still be doing. Lakshmi Bhavani Likita. Still ఇక్కడ ఫ్యూచర్ కంటిన్యూస్, ఫ్యూచర్ కంటిన్యూస్ అమ్మ. ఇంకా అదే జాబ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటావా? లిఖిత, అదే జాబ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటావా, ఇంకా చేస్తూ ఉంటావా? ఓకే, రైట్. No, I dash work as a manager of this organization for at least 2 years by December 2025. What is the hint? For plus time by future. For plus time by future. For plus time by future. Future perfect continuous tense. No, Lakshmi Bhavani, Mullapudi. What is the hint? Likita, what is the hint? You got it? 52 I am saying. 52. For at least 2 years by December 2025. By future. Purpose time by future. Likita, once again type it.
Will have been working. is
Yes,
correct.
will have been working. What is that? Okay, you see here. This is the hint. Okay, you have to see the time phrase based on that one. Okay, so will have been. Okay, I will have been or I shall have been. Okay, with first person general గా మీరు ఏం చేయండి, shall తీసుకోండి. Shall have been. ఈ shall have been అనేది ఒక డిజైర్ లాంటిది. ఓకే, డూయింగ్ ద సేమ్ జాబ్. Okay, shall have been doing as a manager of this organization for at least 2 years by December 2025. So now you might have understood for plus future, future perfect continuous. For plus time by past, past perfect continuous. Just simply for plus time or since plus time, present perfect continuous. Simply you can remember. Just for plus time, since plus time, present perfect continuous. For plus time by past, past perfect continuous. For plus time by future, future perfect continuous. Very good. Okay. Next, 52. So here also, what is that here? For at least 2 years by the next World Cup. Lokesh, Adilakshmi, type your answer. I want to see your answer. Sweta, I want to see your answer. Bhavani. Playing, okay, very good. Future perfect continuous. For plus time by future. Okay. I shall have been playing or I will have, I shall. Right? Okay, with the IV shall you change? Guys here, with the IV, Bhargavi, why playing? For plus time? Yeah. Shall have been playing, correct only, Adilakshmi. Shall have been playing. Okay, right. Shall have been playing. I with IV, instead of using will, better use the shall. I shall have been playing for India for at least 2 years by the next World Cup. Now, okay, today I think you got some clarity. Okay, just tell me guys here, just regarding continuous tenses here. Did you get clarity? Hello guys here. Regarding continuous tenses, could you get some sort of clarity regarding continuous tenses? Just say yes or no. Adilakshmi, what about your doubts? Okay, Bhavani, yes, okay. Right. Okay, so continuous tenses are 6, perfect tenses are 3, and past actions, for past actions we use simple past, present perfect, past perfect. So like this, okay. Again, I will give you some new exercises and how to think here to check the correct tense here, how to see the time phrase and how to, okay, get the tense form and how to use the correct verb here. We can do some more exercises. Is it clear? Right? So till now I have covered all the tenses. 12 tenses have been covered, but this is not enough. You need more and more exercises in order to, okay, retain the, okay, that concept. Okay, right. Okay, guys, here. Let us stop now. Sir, shall I close it here? Hello, Ramu sir. Shall I close it?
Sir is not in the meeting.
Okay, so I'm closing.
Today there is no class, sir.
Okay, then. So we can have for some time now. We can continue for 10-15 minutes now. Tired? Eh? Okay, tomorrow we can continue, no problem. We can, but all should show interest, no? Okay, tomorrow, okay, no problem. Within 2-3 days, we will complete. Once we complete the tenses, we get so much confidence. Is it clear? After that, okay, within 3-4 days, we can complete here the remaining conjunctions, prepositions, adverbs. So 3 are left with us. Okay. After that, active voice, passive voice. Within maximum 10 days, okay, we will complete it. Yeah. When do you have exams, Bhavani? When do you have exams? Lakshmi Bhavani. When do you have exams? You can unmute and answer, no?
Next week, next month, 3rd week, sir.
Next month, 3rd week.
From August 8, we have exams.
From August. Okay, I will. Maximum, okay, within 4-5 days only. Okay, by 2nd August only. Naga. Okay. Okay, within 4-5 days only, we will complete these tenses, which is the biggest topic here, and very important topic. Remaining, okay, by August 8, I will complete. But when do you attend the TCS exams, campus placements?
Sir,
28, sir.
digital 7th and 8th, sir. August 7th and 8th. And for
Okay.
TCS NQT, I think it's from 28th, sir.
So anyway, yeah, you exams are for 1 week or how many days exams? Exams. Lakshmi Bhavani. How many days exams?
Sir, maybe it will be of 2 weeks, sir.
2 weeks, okay.
Till 20 we will have, I think.
Again, after exams also, we need to take classes for 1 week. But meanwhile, the important topics here.
Sir, actually during we'll have exams, Ramu sir told that we'll have mock tests of TCS Ninja, sir.
Yes, okay. And before that, okay, meanwhile, I will send you the files of vocabulary, okay, for synonyms, antonyms, okay. I will send you the important files here, okay, to prepare. And even reading skills, some model questions. I think Sir has sent you the model questions also. TCS. We have prepared.
sir.
We have prepared a lot. So we will send you all those here. Okay. No need to worry. Okay. Just you are completing 3-2 only. By the time you complete your 4-1 semester, okay, you can attend so many campus placement exams. Okay. No need to worry. Right? Okay. Right. Good night, all of you.